What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Light 'em Up Hot Rods channel. Welcome to my first YouTube video. On this channel, I'm going to try to do some how-to videos on cars I have. I'm trying to do more classics, but I'm also doing people's weekend toys, performance work, repair work, stuff like that. Gonna try to throw in some car shows here and there whenever I get to go to some. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a shop tour today and show you what we're working with. Alright, so here's our three shops. You'll see a lot of part out Mustangs here. That is Chris Figueroa with Mustang Parts Reaper. If you guys need any 79 to 04 parts, look him up on Facebook and Instagram. So anytime you see junky Mustangs like this, that's most likely what they're doing. Here's my main shop. It's parts storage, lift, so I have to get my tools and stuff back over here. But here's a car that I'm going to be working on. It is a 4-valve swap 90 GT. I have to do a full rewire on this car because another shop attempted to make the harness work and they just kind of rat nested it with a push button start to switch and all that. So this is going to get rewired with a full SN95 harness. This car here is going to be for sale, or actually is for sale now. It is a SN95 with a built 4-valve swap and a turbo. Car just needs to be tuned, but it has a full downpipe all the way back, turbo back system on it. Was a V6 car. Crank windows, manual locks. I think it's a T45 transmission. Car's been repainted. Pretty clean car. Here got a Lightning that I'm working on. Came in with no motor in it. The motor that was originally in it blew a head gasket. So it came in with the motor taken apart, or the new motor taken apart, brand new heads, cams, oil pump, gears, all new gaskets. So I put it all back together, timed it. It's in the truck now. Of course the hood's latched, but we got it dropped in yesterday, made it to the transmission. So today we're gonna start putting it back together. Long tubes, supercharger, all that's still gotta go on it. Here's another car that I have that I'm working on. This is Chris's one of one 96 Steeda. It was their drag car that they used for testing in 1998. It has a Terminator bottom end with an aluminum block, so a Terminator rotating assembly, Texas block, stage 2 cams, P51 intake, V1 blower with an after cooler, T56. It is getting a full Holley Terminator X system in it. It's basically in there. The whole system's wired up. I need to go through this stock harness so the AC and some of the factory gauges will still work, and then it needs a new fuel pump. Hoping to get back on this one after I'm done with the Lightning. There's our shop cat, Carol Baskins. Here's a 3-valve getting parted out. It's just about ready to go to the scrapyard. Another part out. It's the SVO getting parted out. It's sat for like 10 plus years and it's rough. It has rust in places that I've never seen on a Fox body. And it still smells. But it's pretty much done. I think all we have left to pull out on this is the rear end, motor, and transmission, which are all for sale. This shop over here, this gray Fox body is for sale. Has a bunch of work done to it. It has a 306 with a, I think it's a Vortec blower on it. Built rear end, coilovers in the rear, cage inside, coilovers up front, tubular K-member. This car is also for sale. I don't know if I said that. All auto meter gauges in it. The build has 528 miles on it so far. C4, the trans brake, line lock, manual valve body. The car above it is another Fox body. This one has a complete swap from an 01 Bullet in it. Motor, transmission, tubular front K-member, coilovers, interior, stuff like that. Hopefully start working on this car again soon. A couple weeks ago we put in the fuel tank, all the fuel lines. So it's just some wiring left to do to get started. And then the timing cover has a crack in it, so we're gonna replace that too. I hope you guys enjoyed that little shop tour. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully get some videos on cars I'm working on, some how-to stuff. So follow along. See ya.